Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn on dark mode on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn on dark mode on Telegram, first open up your Telegram app on your phone. After opening the Telegram app, guys, at the top left corner of the screen, you can see there is a three-lined icon available for us. Tap on that three-lined icon at the top left, and when this panel appears, again tap on the settings option available for us just below the saved messages. Tap on settings and you will land on this interface where you can see the chat settings available for us under the category of settings. Now in order to turn on the dark mode, again tap on chat settings, and over here you can see the switch to night mode option available for us. Just above the browse themes, tap on switch to night mode. With that being done, guys, the night mode on Telegram will be turned on. And there, guys, this is how to turn on dark mode on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.